I'm out here with my i3 and I hate windows that aren't tinted. You can see right in them. You can steal everything. And I can't get naked in the back. So I'm going to fix that today. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter from Panda. You can see right into my car here. If I didn't have the light reflecting on it, you'd be able to see in there. If it's nice and bright outside, dude, you could see right in the back. I actually don't have that cover over the trunk area because I hate them. I feel like they're always in the way. Yes, they provide some security, but you put something large in there, they're lifting up. I always feel like they're in the way. Anyway, I take it out, but that means that everything that's in the back is totally visible. So window tinting is great. Now, obviously around here, these front windows can't be that dark. These can be like limo black. You can actually cover those up. Cargo vans have them covered up all the time. So I'm going to go really dark on the back, I think, and a little dark on the front. And I'm going to try a new place that just recently opened up, and I'm pretty excited about it. Let's see what kind of job they do. All right, so I just drove up here to Mundelein, and what you can see here is this building behind me. It says auto window tinting and a lot of other stuff. This place is Turbo Armory up here on Lake Street. And when I saw Armory coming soon, I actually thought, man, I was going to get my Desert Tech Wolverine up here, but it's actually about cars, which is almost as good. Pretty awesome. A hand car wash, ceramic coating, detailing. They do a ton of detailing up here, and the owner is a really nice guy. I just met him the other day while I was making an appointment to get my car in here. No deals or anything like that. No freebies for me. Just a customer, a patron here, trying to get his car windows tinted. So let's go in and check it out. The shop was opened about 8 months ago by Gus, a true car enthusiast who turned his passion into a family business. Gus, his wife, and his son all work there. When you walk in, you can feel that pride in every detail. It's personal to them. The floors are spotless, the lighting is perfect, and every car is treated like it's their own. They're certified professionals using top-tier products like Lumar paint protection film and premium ceramic coatings to make sure your vehicle gets a long-lasting protection. They offer packages for every driver. You can go with front-end PPF or step up to full body wraps and multi-year ceramic coatings that lock in deep mirror finishes. All right, it's the next day. I'm back here at Turbo Armory because my car, I think, should be done here. Let's check it out and see if it looks absolutely amazing for as much as a shoe-sized car can look. So let's go in and check it out. Maybe I can go in right through the garage here. There it is. What's happening, man?
Right.
Hey, this is your shop, bro.
This is my shop.
I love this place.
It's all messy.
I've been here now like a couple days, getting the car set up, but you are here busting your butt on a Sunday. So thanks, man.
I gotta do. I gotta do stuff.
You take care of your customers. Always doing the right thing.
So,
all right, so let's check this out. So what do we do here? Tell me about.
Front windows are 35%.
Love it.
Legal.
Okay.
And then 15% all around the back.
That is crazy. That is so much darker, right? I mean, better security. I can put stuff in the trunk. No one's going to see it. Looks so much better too. Back window. Car's going to stay cooler in the summer. Dude, this looks great. And especially when you have like the difference between a little lighter and a little darker in the back. Yep. Police are a little less.
They won't bother as much.
Yeah, unless you go really dark all the way around.
Didn't have an issue.
Yeah, but man, that looks great. And this is a ceramic.
It is a ceramic.
Okay, so it's the high-end stuff. Spare no expense. I mean, dude, that looks great. And inside, you can still see out. Everything looks awesome. I'm gonna have no trouble backing up. Dude, that looks amazing. That makes this shoe car look so much better, right? Yeah, I love it. I love it, man. And you do a bunch of other stuff here too. Detailing, ton of detailing.
PPF, ceramic coating, which is like my specialty, and like paint correction, of course.
You do some vinyl wrapping here?
We do sometimes.
Okay.
Like, depending on the job.
All right.
But we do offer it, yeah.
All right, cool, man. So if people need a detail, clean up, those kinds of things, especially put a few years on your car.
Of course, yeah.
Dirt gets on the carpets, paint starts looking a little hazy. I love it. I love it. So, I mean, awesome shop. I appreciate it, man. Turbo Armory. I love this place. I'm paying for this, so he's not paying me to give him a shout out here. It's just a great place right in the neighborhood, downtown Mundelein. So if you want to come up here, check it out. I'll put all the links that you need in the description below. All right, man. Cool. Thanks, bro.
Thanks.